At Emery Construction Group in Moline, Illinois, we want to be your contractor of choice. We offer services ranging from asphalt and concrete repair all the way to new construction, all performed on time and to the highest standards in the industry. If your driveway has seen better days, leave it to the professionals at Emery Construction Group to repair or replace it. Our work with asphalt and decorative concrete is second to none. Emery Construction Group can turn your backyard into a relaxing weekend retreat with a custom patio installation. Let us install a fire pit or outdoor fireplace to lengthen your outdoor entertaining season. And Emery Construction Group is not just about residential work. If your company's parking lot is full of potholes, let the folks at Emery Construction Group complete the needed repairs in a timely and professional manner. Emery Construction Group, with over 35 years' experience, stands ready to take on your project, large or small. Our professional craftsmen take pride in their work, and you will love the finished job. Visit us online at www.emeryconstructiongroup.com or find us on Facebook.